So we have if x plus 1 over x equal to 3, find x to the power of 3 plus 1 over x to the power of 2. So, solution, we have x plus 1 over x equal to 3. So from here, we'll be squaring both sides, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. We now have x plus 1 over x all squared raised to the power of 2 equal to 3 to the power of 2. So resolving this bracket, we have x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x all squared equal to 9. So this is the 9. So resolving this, we now have x squared plus 2 times x times this. So this x times 1 over x, we now have 2x over 2 over x, plus 1 over x squared all equal to 9. So this will then give us x squared plus this x will cancel this, we'll have plus 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 2 equal to 9. So we then have x squared plus 1 over x squared equal to 9 minus 2. So from here, we'll then be left with x squared plus 1 over x squared equal to 7. So remember, the question says if x plus 1 over x equal to 3, find x squared plus 1 over x squared. So our x squared plus 1 over x squared is 7. So the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared is 7.